Uh, Welcome to my channel Nepali Cooking. Today I'm going to make my own tomato sauce from the tomatoes of my own garden. It's my own customized way of making tomato sauce. I'm not sure how it's made in the factory or in the industry, but this is what I'm going to make. So I'm sure just making by tomato sauce, it's not going to add some tarka in the dal. So I'll be also making aloo tikki so that I can eat that tikki with that sauce. So this is my garden, and I'm going to make sauce with this green tomatoes. See this ladybird, ladybird. I had planted these tomatoes at least I would say 4 months ago. Staying in the village, it's kind of fun to do some kind of kitchen gardening so that you can have your own harvest. Alright, so this much is the tomatoes that I've collected. See, this is our village. Finally washed. I'm going to boil this for some time. Let me boil this tomato for some time, and boil these tomatoes. I've already soaked these chili, dried chili. This is Delhi dried chili, and this is the Kashmiri chili, and I'm also going to boil this for some time to make it soft. So this chili is getting boiled, and also this tomato. So while this gets boiled, I'm going to cut these green chilies for aloo tikki stuff, and let me check the tomatoes. It's kinda looks done. The tomato gets cooled. Let me prepare the batter for aloo chop or aloo tikki. This is Bengal gram flour or besan, and little bit of salt. Okay, the batter is ready. What I'm going to use for my tomato sauce are these boiled tomatoes, this garlic, the boiled and soaked chili, sugar, this is vinegar, and salt. This is all that I'm going to use. I'll have to grind these in the mixture, so let's go ahead. First I'm going to grind this garlic separately and this chili separately, because I'm going to make two versions of sauce. One is spicy, one is non-spicy. Otherwise chilies. These tomatoes now, the medium-sized mixie. Next, add some water. The sugar has boiled, and I'll add salt in very good quantity. This much of vinegar. Garlic. This is whole garlic. It's okay. This is not for commercial purpose. To puree. Boil this for some time until the some water gets evaporated. It's evaporated from the tomato sauce, or the puree, I would say. This is boiled, smashed potatoes that I'm going to make aloo tikki, or we call aloo chop in this our locality. Chili powder, and salt to taste. This much. Not in a perfect shape though. This much I've made as of now, and this is the batter made from horse gram flour basin. So it's very simple. Now we just dip here, fry, and eat it with that sauce. So let's see. This non-spicy, this is just sweet and sour, so I'm going to take this out. This is is just sweet and sour without spice. Now I'm going to add chili on this chili. It should be good to go. Let me get this here. Check. I think it's done. The sauce and the tikki or the aloo chop. Wow. This is my good. You guys might like to try this at your home. The homemade sauce. Delicious. Thank you for watching my video, and if you do like this video, please do like, share and subscribe, and hit the bell notification button, and I will be coming up with more new videos of my own recipe. Till then, have a wonderful moment. Bye bye.